That's very cool. Well, this is fun. So,
Did you ever
this is the Penn Health area?
I want to walk around, get his ring, the 2
Come on, baby.
Now look out where you are.
And this right here.
I know, that's the part.
What a toy, huh?
I want a toy. Wave, wave.
You know, we actually use those on our show. Yeah, it's got a GoPro camera mounted on it with a video feed out that's wirelessly transmitting to a monitor on his person. So he's video controlling.
And you said they were going to have a helicopter.
I know,
I
you
think
like
it's like
a real helicopter.
Yeah.
One time I did a commercial.
Yeah. Portable fan.
As long as he doesn't drop it, we're fine.
It's a portable fan.
That's the
It
purpose.
certainly is.
Just that.
Great idea.
They don't call me Mr. Wonderful.
Oh, is that what it is? You're telling him to come over here?
there you go. Yeah,
Oh, you're right.
yeah.
Yeah, that's an interesting one. I've seen other ones.
Fantastic. Stop shooting the helicopter.
Don't shoot the white elephant, please. Going down, right now.
Wave to the helicopter. That got a camera on it? This is shooting. Oh, hey! How you doing? Devin, there's a camera. Oh my God!
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Wait. Yes. Hello.
Makes you want to buy one of those.
It does make me want to buy one of those. Everyone should have an invasive helicopter to just go take pictures that they need.
Especially your neighbors if you don't see them.
Depending on how interesting your neighbors are. There are a couple of neighbors I don't know that I'd want to see.